Why does AI discrimination happen in algorithms? Imagine a world where machines make decisions that affect your life, from job applications to healthcare. Now ask yourself, are those decisions always fair? AI systems learn from data created by humans, and that's where the problem begins. If the data they learn from is biased or incomplete, the AI will likely repeat those biases. For example, if a hiring AI is trained mostly on resumes from men, it might unfairly favor male candidates. One big reason is flawed training data. When datasets lack diversity or reflected past inequalities, AI inherits those unfair patterns. If a healthcare algorithm mostly uses data from one racial group, it might not work well for others. That means some groups could get worse treatment just because of biased data. Another issue is how humans label data. People might interpret information differently based on their cultural or personal views. If an AI is trained to recognize certain words or images, subjective labeling can introduce bias. For instance, labeling certain job roles as more suitable for men or women can influence AI recommendations unfairly. The way developers design algorithms also plays a role. Sometimes, choices like giving more weight to certain factors or selecting specific model types can unintentionally embed biases. For example, if an AI model emphasizes zip codes without considering socioeconomic factors, it might unfairly target or exclude certain communities. AI models find patterns and correlations in data but don't understand cause and effect. This can lead to biased conclusions. For instance, if an AI sees a correlation between race and healthcare costs, it might wrongly assume one causes the other, leading to unfair treatment. Once AI is in use, it can create feedback loops. If an AI system denies opportunities to certain groups, those groups become less represented in future data. This cycle can make biases worse over time. Testing and monitoring are also vital. Sometimes, an AI system seems fair during development but shows bias when used in real life. Without ongoing checks, these biases can stay hidden and cause harm. Examples include healthcare algorithms that favored white patients because their cost histories reflected systemic inequalities. Criminal justice tools like the Compass system predicted higher recidivism risks for Black defendants due to biased training data. Hiring tools, such as the one used by Amazon, penalized resumes with female-associated terms because they were trained on mostly male resumes. Language models like ChatGPT can also unintentionally reinforce stereotypes by linking gender or race to certain roles or traits. To reduce AI discrimination, it's important to use diverse, balanced datasets, design transparent models, and keep testing for bias. Involving teams from different backgrounds helps spot subjective biases early. When it comes to tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney, making sure they are trained on fair data and tested for stereotypes is key. This way, they can serve all users equally and ethically. In the end, AI discrimination happens because these systems mirror the data and choices made by humans. Recognizing this helps us build smarter, fairer AI that treats everyone with respect and fairness.